crew, it's me, Chris at Simmons, right here at the GameExpo Dubai at the World Trade Center. And right now I am with Mr. Nour Kandil of Harmony Medical Group. How are you today?
Thank you, Chris. How are you today? We're offering AI dental checkup for free for everybody who's going to attend Expo today. So first of all, we started with the AI machine, which is considered a dentist, AI dentist. It's the first of a kind in Dubai. It offers you an instant report, manner diagnosis, and everything for free. You can get it over WhatsApp, over email. So yeah, that's how the...
Fantastic. And I just want to know, we are here at Dubai Esports and Games, and what are you guys integrating today? Or what are you showcasing for today?
I knew that would sound kind of off because we're offering medical, yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So the thing is that we wanted to launch this device specifically in this AI event, since it's going to be Gaming Expo at the same time. Everybody who's going to attend today are all integrating with AI devices. So we felt like it's going to be a part of it to introduce our new device, which is going to be an AI dentist. We're Harmony Medical Group. We're offering comprehensive dental services. It started from pediatric, from diagnosis, surgical services, everything connected to dentistry in one place. And one of the edges that we're offering also that we have more than 30 nationalities within our dentists. So it gives people much more comfortability to deal with them. Yeah.
Fantastic. So what do you think, what makes Harmony Medical Group stand out from all the competitors?
First of all, as I mentioned before, it's about the diversity that we're having more than 30 nationalities. At the same time, we have more than 100 dentists within 4 branches around the UAE. It started from Dubai, we have 1 branch in Jumeirah, we have 3 branches in Abu Dhabi. So that's how we're trying to make it convenient for all our customers and patients to make it accessible for them.
And I heard you guys are using artificial intelligence, AI as well, in the company. How do you guys use AI in the company?
We're using AI in a way that makes things more faster to get just minor diagnosis using this device that we're having today with us in Expo. So it gives people just minor diagnosis to know what you're having, and then we can refer them to the clinic to get much more comprehensive diagnosis about what exactly should be done with their teeth. It could be veneers, it could be braces, they can do some sort of root canals. It depends on what you're doing.
What do you think is the future impact of Harmony Medical Group in the community?
First of all, we're having a lot of events, not just about AI and gaming. We have events regarding kids, nurseries. We're targeting schools. We're raising awareness among youth people how to raise their health and awareness, not just about teeth, but the whole healthcare system. Is because everything you always start with the oral health. So we're always caring about your oral health because that's how everything else would be handled afterwards. So yeah.
And then after GameExpo Dubai, what's next for Harmony Medical Group?
What's next? We're going to be all the way towards our awareness programs, as well as trying to engage with the communities, as well as trying to engage with the young people, because there's other people who are trying to reach our preventative approach.
Are you guys open, in case if you are open to collaborations or partners, how they should get in touch with you guys, or any links to?
Definitely. I'm Nour Kandil. I'm the business development executive of Harmony Medical Center in Dubai. So just reach out to me at any time. I'm the person who's responsible for partnerships and collaborations. Yeah.
Last question. What do you think is the future of money?
Of course. So let's say that's moreover, in general, it's like many companies are kind of like shifting to make it more into crypto and to make it engaging with the e-money, that's what we can say, digital money. So many companies nowadays are trying to transfer or switch their money of just like offering some normal ways of cash or credits. They offer some more things of facilitating cryptocurrency and how to trade with it. I guess that's part of it. That's going to be the future of it. Maybe within those 10 years, people are trying to get some more exposure to get how to deal with the cryptocurrency. Even people from older ages, which wasn't something before.
Are you into crypto?
Not really. I have no experience with it, but I've tried to read about it before. Yeah, all my friends does, so I guess I'm just too late. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now describe this event in 3 words. Let's go.
Describing in 3 words: well organized, too many people from different age groups, and diversity, which is why we're here for.
Fantastic, Nour. Thank you so much. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. This is me, Chris at Simmons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.